In this video, I will guide you how to write vertically in Excel. First, you need to select the cells containing the text you want to make vertical. For example, I'll select the A3 column and then write the desired text vertical. And then go to the Home tab at the top ribbon, and in the alignment group, you need to click on the orientation button. Here is the orientation. You need to click on that and click on the vertical text. Your text will immediately stack vertically character by character like a column of blocks rather than rotating sideways. So if you want the letters rotated 90% sideways instead of stacked to top to bottom, for this you need to select the cell and press Ctrl 1, or either go to the home and click on the small arrow under the font group and click on the alignment tab. So under the orientations on the right side, to stack letters vertically, click the vertical box labeled text. Here it is. And then you need to rotate standard sideways text. Set the degree box to, for example, 90% for bottom to top, or 90% minus for top to bottom. So click OK to proceed, and here it is. If you remove this minus, go to the alignment and remove the 90% and click OK, you will see that this is from bottom to top. If your vertical text gets cut off like this one, you need to select the row height, or you can select the column as well. And now double click the border to make the auto fit the cells. So this way you can easily write vertically in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.